Aam Aadmi Party criticizes arrest of its leader, says will not be intimidated, will continue to hold meetings from January, takes jibe at Congress. Goa Forward says government decision to withdraw guarantee on house building advance scheme illegal, says bank letter proves that scheme cannot be abruptly closed. Possibility of rain on Thursday after low pressure area forming in Arabian Sea could lead to a cyclone there, predicts IMD. I'm Anjali and now the news in detail. The Aam Aadmi Party criticized the arrest of its leader Sandesh Telekar by the police at Valpoi during the party's Viz Andolan meeting. AAP's MLA Raghav Chadda threw down a challenge to the government, saying that he would be addressing the next meeting at Valpoi and the police should arrest him then.
Raghav also warned the government not to compare it to the Congress and its leader Arvind Kejriwal to Congress's Rahul Gandhi. He said they would not get scared of the BJP's intimidatory tactics.
Also ask the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawant, that why did you arrest Aam Aadmi Party leader Sandesh? Simply because he was addressing a public meeting of Viz Andolan, making people of Goa aware of how they are being looted by your government, how you are charging exorbitant amounts under the garb of electricity. What was Sandesh's crime? Which provision of the Indian Penal Code did Aam Aadmi Party leader Sandesh violate? Which act did Aam Aadmi Party leader Sandesh commit which was illegal or unconstitutional? I think Sandesh's only crime was that he exposed the loot and the corruption in the BJP government. He exposed that a government headed by Pramod Sawant does not wish to give free electricity to people of Goa. They only wish to charge exorbitant money from Goans. That was Sandesh's crime, and for that crime, Aam Aadmi Party leader Sandesh was arrested. And let me give a warning to the BJP government and the Chief Minister of Goa that do not mistake Aam Aadmi Party for the Congress Party, and do not mistake Arvind Kejriwal for Rahul Gandhi. Aam Aadmi Party is not Congress that we will get scared of these tactics, and Arvind Kejriwal is not Rahul Gandhi. Do not commit this mistake of assuming that we will shy away, we will get scared, that we are afraid of your police or that we are afraid of your use of the state instrumentalities.
Raghav also challenged the government to arrest him at the next meeting at Valpoi when AAP's Viz Andolan restarted in January.
Let me make a categorical announcement, and I am making this announcement to the people of Goa, to the Honorable Chief Minister, through you, my friends in the media, that this Viz Andolan has been temporarily stopped due to the Model Code of Conduct for the ZP elections. However, we will resume the Viz Andolan, the electricity campaign, in the month of January, and the first meeting that will take place in the month of January will take place in Vishwajit Rane's constituency Valpoi, where Sandesh was arrested from, and I will come to address that meeting. I challenge the Chief Minister and the BJP government of Goa to arrest me when I come.
Shyam Chari for Goa 365 from Panji.
The Goa Forward Party on Sunday said that they are in possession of a letter made by the bank to the government citing at least 13 reasons why the house building advance scheme, which was backed by the government of Goa, guarantee of rupees 300 crores, cannot be abruptly closed. Here are the details.
John Nazareth, convener, Employees Forward, Goa Forward Party, said the 4-page letter dated 12/6/2020 written by the bank official to the Additional Secretary Finance says that the net take-home pay should be a minimum of 40% as per norms. The bank has also said that the borrower should arrange for inspection of the property before conversion of the loan. The bank has also informed that the guarantee will be released only after completion of mortgage and other formalities.
प्रेस ब्रीफिंग आपोवपाचो मेन रिजन म्हटल्यार गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टीच्या हातीन एक लेटर मेवला जे बँकीन आमच्या Additional Secretary Finance हाका बरयलेले on house building advance issue. तितून ताणे एक clause point out केला, clause number 17 of the guarantee. It states that no amendment or changes in the guarantee shall be made except with written concurrence of the bank and is irrevocable and shall be continuing for all HBA guaranteed by the bank to various borrowers amongst the guarantees until the entire liability of the government are fully paid to the satisfaction of the bank and the bank discharges the government to that effect in writing. हे क्लॉजा प्रमाणे गव्हर्नमेंटान एब्राप्टली ही HBA स्कीम आहा ती चेंज करूंक जाय नासली ओ विथड्रॉ करूंक जाय नासली, पूण ह्या गव्हर्नमेंटान ती केलेली आसा. Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Chief Minister of Goa, has totally violated the conditions of the agreement, disturbed the peace of the government employees and their families. House building advance ha पळय तो बँक लोन जरी तर करता जाल्यार 40% टेक होम पे हा पळय ताच्यावन उणें आसोंक जायना म्हणटकूच हें पळय तांणी करून देरेफेंत करून सडनली करून तें वायलेशन केल्लें आसा. Status it is pending in the court. So bank also has been made as a party. That is the this. But see, out of court, government can realize its mistakes now because it could not be done by the government. First of all, it was unlawful for the government to do it. तांकां भरपूर पेन जाता कित्याक तांकां घरा कडेन कोणाक एकलो सांगतालो म्हाका आपल्याक 11,000 इन्स्टॉलमेंट पडटालो तो 21,000 पडटा. सो आपल्याक भरपूर त्रास जाता म्हणटा. सो थोडे भांगराचेर लोन काडटा कोणे आनी कोण अशें करून हें करता. भरपूर त्रास जाल्या.
John also criticized the government's decision to restart schools on January 1st.
कालूच आयकोंक येयला की गव्हर्नमेंटान क्रिसमस हॉलिडे ज्यो सदांच आमचे हें पळय आसता स्कूल रिओपनिंग पळय जातालें तें इधर सेकंडार जातालें वो थर्डार जातालें, पूण हेच वर्सा गव्हर्नमेंटान तें फर्स्टार केलां. हें टोटली अनजस्ट हें कित्याक असो डिसिजन गव्हर्नमेंटान कित्याक आमी गोंयांत तर आमी सगळे एकवटान रावता. आमी दो कॅथलीक आसा ते मिसाक वयता, दो मिसा इगर्जेन जावची ना जातली थोडेच लोक वयतले पूण थोडे टीव्हीचेर वो दुसऱ्या माध्यमांतल्यान मिसान पार्ट घेता आनी मागीर फॅमिली सेलिब्रेशन करता म्हणसर 2 वरां तरी जाता रातची. आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार हें ट्युरिस्टीक डेस्टिनेशन गोवा आनी ट्युरिस्ट येयले आसता ते एका न्यू इयराक स्पेशली येता न्यू इयराक गोंयांत म्हणटकूच हें सगळें डिस्टर्ब कशें केल्ले भाशेन. हांव नको हे आमचे उरले आमदार आनी मंत्री आहा ते कितें पळयता पळय ते तांणी तरी गव्हर्नमेंटाक सांगूंक जाय न्हू चीफ मिनिस्टराक.
Shyam Chari for Goa 365 from Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. DGP and ex-officio Commandant General Home Guards and Director Civil Defence Mukesh Kumar Meena says that civil defence and Home Guard volunteers play a vital role in rendering selfless service to the nation at function where Home Guard and civil defence organizations celebrate their Rising Day.
The Commandant General Home Guards and Director Civil Defence was speaking at the 58th Home Guard and Civil Defence Raising Day function at Police Headquarter grounds in Panaji. Civil Defence volunteers John Aguiar, Uday Kuri, Rupesh Parvatkar and Home Guard volunteers Rafiq Bagwale, Inansevik Dias and Savlo Velip were felicitated as COVID warriors for rendering good services during the pandemic. Deputy Commandant General of Home Guards and Deputy Director Civil Defence SP Bosco George lauded the good work by the Home Guards and Civil Defence volunteers in the state and extended his greetings to the members of the organization.
Again congratulate Home Guard and Civil Defence volunteers on this Rising Day, and I hope that this organization will grow in Goa, render more and more services to the citizens.
It is indeed my honor and privilege as member of the force to speak on your behalf on Raising Day of Home Guards and Civil Defense, which is celebrated all over the country on the 6th of December every year. I would like to extend my warm wishes to each and everyone present here today. The Home Guard organization in Goa started in 1967 under the police department. A full-fledged directorate as such was started in the year 1981. During the year 2020, Home Guards have been awarded with cash and 385 good service certificates in recognition of their commendable service rendered on various occasions. On the occasion of Goa Liberation Day 2019, Lady Home Guard Srimati Kalpana Parab and Home Guard Sri Surendranath Shetye have been awarded the Chief Minister's Home Guard and Civil Defense Medal for meritorious service. Similarly, on the occasion of Republic Day, Sri John Aguirre, ex-company commander, Home Guard, has been awarded the President's Home Guard and Civil Defense Medal for distinguished service. Sri Santan Diaz, Home Guard, and Raul Gaus, Home Guard, have been awarded the President's Home Guard and Civil Defense Medal for meritorious service. Due to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, Sri John Aguirre and wrote 2 Konkani songs which have become very
Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Police Headquarters.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. And now for the weather. The weather will remain dry for the next 3 days, but there is a possibility of rain on Thursday. Due to low pressure area in the Arabian Sea, there is a possibility of a cyclone in that area, leading to rain in the state, predicted IMD.
The maximum temperature recorded was 34.6 degrees centigrade, while the minimum temperature was 19.9 degrees centigrade. The weather will be partly cloudy, but temperatures will be as normal. Weather will be dry for the next 3 days. Possibility of rain on Thursday. Max temperature 34.6 degrees centigrade, minimum temperature 19.6 degrees centigrade. Weather will be partly cloudy, temperature normal. Shushan Gawas for Go 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.go365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Go365TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Go365TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones and watch Go365.